Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.0 3ZR FE and 3ZR FE engines are part of the popular ZR engine family, which was introduced by Toyota in 2007. These naturally aspirated four-cylinder engines are designed to provide a good balance of power, fuel efficiency, and reliability, making them suitable for a range of compact to mid-size vehicles, particularly in Asian and European markets. Engine overview and history. Both the 3ZR FE and 3ZR FE are 2.0-liter, 1986 cubic centimeters, inline for gasoline engines. They feature an all-aluminum construction for both the cylinder block and head, contributing to reduced weight and improved thermal management. Key technologies include DOHC, dual overhead camshaft with 16 valves, dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence on both intake and exhaust camshafts. This system continuously optimizes valve timing to improve performance across the RPM range while enhancing fuel economy and reducing emissions. Timing chain utilizes a maintenance-free timing chain for valve actuation, designed to last the life of the engine. The core difference between the FE and FE variants, consistent with other ZR engines, lies in the Valvematic system. 3ZR FE. This is the standard version, featuring dual VVTi and electronic port fuel injection. It's a robust and proven design, known for its straightforward operation. 3ZR FE. This variant incorporates Valvematic technology in addition to dual VVTi. Valvematic is Toyota's continuously variable valve lift system, which allows for precise control of the intake valve lift and duration. This advanced system eliminates the need for a traditional throttle body or significantly reduces its role, leading to more efficient air intake, improved fuel economy, lower emissions, and sharper throttle response. The 3ZR FE typically offers slightly higher power output and better fuel efficiency compared to the 3ZR FE due to Valvematic. The ZR engine family, including the 1ZR 1.6L, 2ZR 1.8L, and 3ZR 2.0, was developed as a successor to the ZZ engine series, like the 1ZZ FE, aiming to address some of the previous generation shortcomings, particularly regarding oil consumption, and to introduce more modern efficiency technologies. Applications. The 3ZR FE and 3ZR FE engines have been widely used in various Toyota models, especially in markets where 2.0 naturally aspirated engines are preferred. Toyota RAV4, some markets, especially earlier generations. Toyota Corolla, some larger market variants. Toyota Avensis, T270 generation. Toyota Verso. Toyota Noah/Voxy, Japanese market minivans. Toyota Premio/Allion, Japanese market sedans. Toyota Wish, Japanese market minivan. Toyota C-Char, 2.0 non-turbo variants in some regions. Opinions and review. Owners and experts generally view the 3ZR FE and 3ZR FE as highly reliable and durable engines. They are praised for their smooth operation and sufficient power for family vehicles and light SUVs. While they won't deliver thrilling performance, they offer a comfortable and efficient driving experience, making them a popular choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. The 3ZR FE, with Valvematic, often receives higher marks for its refinement and efficiency. Advantages. Exceptional reliability. True to Toyota's reputation, the 3ZR engines are known for their robustness and longevity. With consistent maintenance, many units can achieve very high mileages, well over 200,000 kilometers/120,000 miles. Good fuel economy. For a 2.0 naturally aspirated engine, both variants offer competitive fuel efficiency. The 3ZR FE, with Valvematic, particularly excels in this regard due to its optimized air intake control. Timing chain. The use of a timing chain means no scheduled replacement is needed, reducing long-term maintenance costs and concerns about belt failure. Smooth operation. They are generally quiet and smooth running, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Adequate power. provide sufficient power and torque for the vehicles they equip, making them capable for most driving situations without feeling underpowered, unlike smaller displacement engines. Low emissions, designed to meet various international emission standards. Disadvantages: modest performance. While adequate, these engines are not designed for high performance. Drivers seeking strong acceleration or a very sporty feel might find them a bit underwhelming compared to turbocharged alternatives of similar displacement. Noise at high RPMs. When pushed hard, especially during sustained high-speed driving or aggressive acceleration, the engine can become audible and may sound a bit strained. Complexity of Valvematic. 2.0 Vvti. The Valvematic system, while beneficial, adds mechanical complexity to the engine. While issues are not rampant, if a component within this system malfunctions, e.g., the Valvematic controller or motor, repairs can be more involved and potentially costly compared to the simpler 2.0 Vvti. Oil consumption. Isolated cases, while significantly improved over earlier ZZ engines, some isolated reports of increased oil consumption can still occur in high-mileage or neglected units, though it's not a widespread systemic issue. Common faults and breakdowns. The 2.0 engines are generally very reliable, but like any mechanical component, they can develop issues over time, typically at higher mileages. VVTi actuator rattle, a common issue across many Toyota VVTi engines. A brief rattling noise on cold startup can occur due to the VVTi gears or actuators not holding oil pressure properly. This is often an annoyance rather than a critical failure, but can indicate wear. Water pump leaks, a common wear item. The water pump can develop leaks over time, typically necessitating replacement. Ignition coil failures. As with many modern engines, individual ignition coils can fail, leading to misfires, rough running, and illumination of the check engine light. Replacement is usually straightforward. Carbon buildup. 2.0 Vvti. Less common, while the 2.0 Vvti uses port injection, which generally prevents severe carbon buildup on intake valves. Some level of deposits can accumulate over time, particularly with excessive idling or short trips. This is less of a concern than in direct injection-only engines. Valvematic system issues. 2.0 Vvti. While rare, some instances of Valvematic system malfunctions have been reported, often leading to diagnostic trouble codes, DDCs, related to valve lift control. These can sometimes be complex to diagnose and repair. Fuel consumption. Fuel efficiency is a strong suit for the 2.0 engines. Actual consumption will depend on the vehicle it's in, transmission type, manual, CVT, or conventional automatic, and driving style. 2.0 Vvti. Combined fuel consumption typically ranges from 7.0 to 8.5 L/100 km, 28 to 33 mpg US/33 to 40 mpg UK. 2.0 Vvti with Valvematic often shows slightly better figures, ranging from 6.5 to 7.8 L/100 km, 30 to 36 mpg US/36 to 43 mpg UK. For example, the 2.0 Vvti in models like the Toyota Noah/Voxy can achieve around 14.2 km per liter, approximate 7.0 L/100 km, or 33.6 mpg US, in the Japanese 10 to 15 test cycle. Timing. Both the Toyota 2.0 Vvti and 2.0 Vvti engines use a timing chain system. This is a durable design intended to last the entire lifespan of the engine, which means there are no scheduled replacement intervals like with a timing belt. This is a significant advantage for long-term maintenance costs and reliability. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota generally recommends 0W, 20, 5W, 20, 5W, 30, or 10W, 30 multi-grade engine oil for the 2.0 Vvti/Vvti, depending on the specific model year, region, and climate. For optimal fuel economy and cold start performance, especially in newer applications, 0W, 20, or 5W, 20 full synthetic is often preferred. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendation. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.2 to 4.7 liters, 4.4 to 5.0 U.S. quarts, with a filter change. It's crucial to refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity and to always check the dipstick after filling. Versions. Within the 3ZR designation, the primary versions are 3ZR FE, standard dual VVTi, port injection. 3ZR FE, dual VVTi with Valvematic, port injection. These engines are key components of Toyota's strategy to provide reliable, efficient, and refined, naturally aspirated powertrains, continuing their legacy of building long-lasting vehicles. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.